Hey everyone, today we have this brand new 2024 Ford F-150 Lariat. This one is in the high 502a package. It's also in the star white metallic paint, which is beautiful paint, gives it a nice little bit of metallic in the sun. I love the 502a and it has a bunch of upgrades. Let's check it out together. Under the hood of this one is the 3.5 liter Ecoboost engine, tons of power, and it puts all that to pavement with the 10-speed automatic transmission, which also helps it be amazing on fuel. New for 2024 are these gorgeous LED projector style headlights, fully automatic, including auto high beam, and to go with those, some nice LED fog lights. And you do have some nice bit of chrome on the front, gives it a nice touch of class. That chrome front bumper has park sensors in it, so if you get too close to something, it's gonna beep and let you know. Also some nice chrome front tow hooks for pulling your friend out of the ditch. And it has an around view parking system with 4 video cameras, one in the front, the back, and under both mirrors. The new Ford emblem for the 24s looks nice and crisp and clean. The Ford blue with the white surround and the white lettering, I think looks amazing. Up front, this vehicle also does have a forward collision system with pedestrian detection, meaning if somebody walks out in front of you, you don't have time to hit the brakes, it's going to do that for you. That saves lives and saves some money on insurance. Chrome clad wheels on the side here look awesome. Again, a nice little touch of chrome with the F-150 badging there. This does have the upgraded trailer tow style mirrors with the chrome caps on them. Also has LED turn signals in them. And this light, or this mirror, is dual convex, so you have an upper and a lower portion. This part of the mirror can also auto dim for you and has a blind spot system in it that lights up when somebody's in your blind spot. This also has power folding mirrors and power extending mirrors. Really great for towing, and I like when you hit the lock button, those do power fold in and let you know, like a little touch of luxury. To get in or out of this truck, you can just put your code in here and it'll unlock, or we can put our hands in, it'll sense the heat from our hands and unlock the vehicle. You can press this button to lock it, or you can use this key fob with unlock, lock, remote start, power tailgate, and alarm. Now you can also download the Ford Pass app and do that anywhere in the world for free with no subscription. Thank you very much, Ford, for Ford Pass. Tinted windows off the back look fantastic. To get in and out of this, you can just step on these running boards, which are chrome clad on the side. Open up this back door and you get your first look at this gorgeous Lariat interior. I love the chocolate stitching that has been highlighting everything in here. This does have a 14 speaker Bang & Olufsen Unleashed stereo system, which is amplified. Sounds great. More chocolate piping in here. The leather is nice. You've got really great cushion in that seat as well, super comfortable. And of course the cab size on the F-150 is just ginormous. If we lift this seat up, you have the new bed utility package that's on this. So this one is equipped with the bed utility package, giving you a few upgrades. This is nice that it can fold flat or come up and hold items. If we do fold that flat, then we have our totally flat floor that Ford is known so famously for, and this one's been upgraded with a protective mat. Now in the back you do have cup holders. We also have these seats are heated in the back. We have 12-volt power supply, USB-C power supply, and inverted power supply. So all kinds of awesome things. If you look up top, I don't know if you can see that, but it does have a huge panoramic sunroof with power shade. We'll check that out in a moment, but then lets in tons of natural light. Now this is in the 157-inch wheelbase, also known as the 6.5-foot box configuration. So lots of room to put toys back here. And this does have the nice new taillights. These taillights are LED and they do go with your smart hitch system. We'll show you that more inside. This with the bed utility group does also have the upgraded Pro Access tailgate. If you're wondering why the tailgate looks like this, it's the all new tailgate from Ford and it's pretty handy. First of all, we'll talk about a little bit more things besides the tailgate in the back here, including the back bumper that has backup sensors. You've got your trailer tow hitch with 7 and 4-pin wiring. The vehicle has reverse assist, which means if you get too close to something, it doesn't think you're going to stop. It'll put the brakes on for you. Again, just saving things for you all over. It's also got an LED light as well as a backup camera. And if we press this button twice from our key fob, then the tailgate goes down with power. Inside the box, it's got a spray liner, and then it does have, thanks to the bed utility group, LED lighting in the box, 4 tie downs which are lockable and removable, as well as 4 corner tie downs. It's got inverted power supply, and then this is new for 2024, and I really like this. It's just a little place to be able to put like a pair of gloves or a ratchet strap. Great little spot to store things. Now with this tailgate, you do get a nice surface on here, place to put screws and stuff if you're dealing with building something, or if you want to put your phone for YouTube how-to videos. Again, just more indentations to put things all over. Tape measure in the middle. Also has C-clamp holders. So what are those? Reinforced, so you can clamp a board down here if you'd like. And then it has an extended, so basically a place to be able to put extended items. You can put a tie down from one side to the other. That also duals as a bottle cap opener. Now, if we go and put this up by pressing that twice, that's going to raise that tailgate for us. And then we're going to show you the Pro Access tailgate. So nice and easy. We can also put the tailgate down just by pulling in right there. But if we want to open it barn door style, we open it like this. That is really handy. Why is that nice and handy? We can come up and get inside the truck nice and easy now. Very close here. We're not trying to fight with the tailgate for distance. It's a 60% opening, so it's a pretty good opening. I do like that, and it's really nice and easy and convenient. Also for getting in and out, now we can just step on here. You can use this if you want to lay your arms on and pull yourself up in the box. So very handy. So one thing I forgot to touch on is that this does have the upgraded Max Tow 355 rear end, and we are going to open up this driver's door, and I'm going to just show you the specification sticker so you can see all the weights and everything on this one as equipped. On the driver's door here, we've got some things. What are we looking at? Well, this is the sensor to watch your eyes for the fully autonomous driving system known as Ford Blue Cruise. It's right, this vehicle, like a Tesla, can fully drive itself on pre-programmed roads, in which there are a lot of. Then you do have memory settings for all your seats and steering wheel and whatnot, mirrors, power locks, those power extending mirrors, the power folding mirror and power mirror settings, and your power window settings. And we've got nice little holders, cup holders, little areas to put all sorts of stuff in. Another one of those Bang & Olufsen 14 speaker unleashed stereo system. Beautiful trim that's been done in here. And then we've got some controls. So these are for the lights under your mirrors, your power tailgate, cargo lamp, set it and forget it headlights, fog lights, interior dimmer switches, power adjustable pedals, and emergency brake. Then we have a power tilt and telescopic steering wheel, so it goes in and out and up and down. Also on the memory setting, which is nice. Again, you see we've got some matting inside just to protect everything. I love on the side of the console, you've got a nice little bit of storage there. And then we have our super comfortable front captain seats, 10-way adjustable, heated and ventilated, lots of support, headrest, the leather's nice and smooth, gorgeous. Let's climb inside. Now that we're inside the truck, we're going to hit this push button start. It's going to fire everything up, including our digital display and our big 12-inch screen there. Now, when we're inside the vehicle, we're going to go through a few things here. In this digital display, you do have digital speedometer and a bunch of other readouts, including speed limit signs. So as you go past speed limit signs, it takes a picture and then we'll display it in there for you. That's really nice. Then we've got on the steering wheel the adaptive intelligent cruise control. So this vehicle will slow you down with the vehicle in front of you, or if you want, you can set it to speed you up or slow you down with speed limit signs. It has a lane detection system, which doubles as their semi-autonomous self-driving system known as lane centering. So that lane centering system will steer the steering wheel for you on any road with lanes. You can take your hands off the wheel for a few seconds and just let it do everything. We also have volume controls and voice recognition. And behind here on our wipers, it does have rain sensing wipers, so those are automatic as well. Then we've got controls to that digital display up top, and we've got some controls for our stereo and our phone. Now, speaking of digital display up top, new for 2024 in the Lariat 502, we have heads-up display. If you can see that on the windshield, it's displaying right now the temperature, the time, and my speed limit, so that's awesome. Now, also, this steering wheel here is leather wrapped and heated, feels like a warm cup of coffee first thing in the morning. If you look up here, we've got a center channel speaker, Bang & Olufsen, and again, just more places to put things. This big 12-inch screen display, love this. What does the 12-inch screen display do? Well, it displays all kinds of information, including navigation, and it's got some buttons on top. What are they? Engine auto off. This is for our all-around camera system. Look at that crisp HD camera system, which we can put to a bunch of different views, including a blind spot camera. Love that. Or if you want to go, we can even hook up an auxiliary camera for the trailer that you're towing. Then you can go into the park settings where we can turn on or off our park sensors, both the front and the rear, individual, whichever way we want. Get out of that, and we've got four-way flashers, we've got traction control, and in our screen ourselves, you've got the outside temperature. It can hook up to Wi-Fi, connect up to 10 devices, which is nice. In our audio settings, we've got Bluetooth, satellite radio, as well as wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto thanks to Sync 4. That means this can project all your phone's apps on here, your Spotify, your podcast, your audiobooks, even the GPS from your phone if you want to use your Google Maps, Waze Maps, Apple Maps, that kind of thing. Now, if you don't want to use the data from your phone and use those maps, this has a navigation. The navigation is connected to Ford, and on this model you do get a connected trial for all your weather updates, traffic updates, all kinds of things. So this is a great system with Ford. Love that this system connects directly with Ford. Now if we go to the features button, some of my favorite things in here, we do have zone lighting. So zone lighting on this vehicle basically turns the whole outside of the vehicle into one big light tower. Press this button right here and it's going to give you the ability to light up the whole outside LED style, or we can just pick which sides we'd like to light up. Great if you're camping or in the winter when it gets really dark. Just a really nice feature to have on that. Come down below and we do have our volume controls for our stereo, dual climate control, my side, my passenger side, and then we have our heated steering wheel, heated seat, and ventilated seat. Now this is new for 2024. When we press these buttons, we can actually go to auto temperature. When we go to auto temperature, you'll see it's auto temperature on, and it will get as hot as it needs to or cold as it needs to put those seats on or off. I love that feature. I love not having to think about it. It knows that it's 24 degrees Celsius and it's kind of warm. It's warm in the truck. It should put the air conditioned seats on. Great job, Ford. Then we do have a toggle switch for our fan switches there. Open this up and we've got a wireless charger for our phone, as well as a USB and USB-C. If you're wondering what this little key is, this is a valet key that comes with the truck, so somebody can just open the door or unlock the glove box or center console if they need, but they can't do anything else. So just an entry point. Come down here and you've got your 10-speed automatic transmission. Love in the Lariat that it gives you a shifter in the middle. That is an upgrade. We can also go to a manual mode where we can shift up and down through the gears. And if we want it out of the way, press that silver button, folds out of the way, and we got all this space. What do we need that space for? Well, the mobile office opens up and we've got a place to do work from, have a snack, that kind of stuff. It's just a really nice feature. Then we can open this up and we got an upper and a lower section with more USB-Cs, all kinds of power connections, which is great. Come off this side and you have the Pro Trailer Backup Assist. If you don't know what this does, it is pretty handy. You can back up your trailer just by turning this and it'll steer the steering wheel for you. You can also press this button in, hold it, and it'll back you right up to your trailer hitch, nice and straight, using the camera on the back. Then we do have the trailer brake controller built right in, and we've got our four-wheel drive controls. So 2 high, 4 low, set it and forget it, 4 automatic. Has a locking rear differential, again upgraded to tow on this particular model, and we have drive modes. What are drive modes? Well, when you go into this right here, we can scroll over from normal to slippery to off-road, and that's going to give us just a little different traction control settings, or we can go the other direction to tow haul, eco, or my favorite, sport mode. And sport mode really kind of picks everything up. The shift points, the throttle response, even the exhaust note is all changed when you're in sport mode. One of my favorites. Come to the other side, we've got another 12-volt power supply as well as another inverted power supply for 3 total. We have 2 glove boxes. Don't try to force this open, just press this button and it opens up top. Look up top and you've got an electrochromatic auto-dimming mirror, couple map lights, control for our power sunroof and power shade. Let's let in some light right now. Beautiful sunlight. While we're opening this up, I'll also tell you about the 14 speaker Unleashed stereo system. That's one of your speakers there. You've got speakers in the A-pillars, a speaker up there, upgraded door speakers, sub underneath the seat, and speakers in your door. So really nice sounding system. Coming up top again, so that's how we open up our power shade. This is for the power sliding rear window, which is also heated. And then we have a sunglasses holder, throw your shades in. And last but not least, garage door openers for 3 different garages up on the visor. That is this beautiful 2024 F-150 Lariat 502a package. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Do me a huge favor and click subscribe to this channel. If you want to see more videos like this one, hit that bell icon. You'll be notified every time I make a video. And if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Thanks, everybody.